You guys already know this is my favorite beauty subscription box that is out there. I love the Allure box, but holy bananas, have you seen the spoilers for the items coming up in the next few boxes? I mean, you guys, like, they are really, really good. I mean, better than usual. So I just feel like this may be an early prediction on my part, but I think Allure is gonna have one of the best summers with their box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings over here on my channel, so if you love unboxings, stick around, hit that subscribe button down below. So today we're gonna look at my Allure Beauty Box for March 2025. And yes, the spoilers for the next few boxes look just as amazing. This March box is also really good. You're gonna see, you're gonna see in a moment here what they are, but it's also good. But I'm just telling you, it looks really promising for the next few months. So if you order in the month of March, this is the box that you are going to receive. We are all going to be receiving the same products. However, you are able to customize the shade on one of the items. So that might be the only thing that will differ between your box and mine is the shade that we went with. Additionally, I am going to be sharing with you guys the new member gift with this box as well. You will only get the new member gift if you sign up in the month of March as a new member. So if you love this box today and you want one of them yourself, I will post the link down below per usual. That way you guys can sign up and get this box. If you sign up as a new member where you pay month to month, you can save $5 off of your first month subscription. So you can get this entire bundle of goodies for only $20. Which I don't know about you guys, but I feel like when I look at this box, if someone were to offer me this box and say, hey, would you buy this for $20? I would be like, well, absolutely. This is worth way more than $20. And this is why I love this box. But like I said, there is a new member gift this month, but it is a little bit different than what Allure has done in the past. So this is the first time that I've seen them do this, where the new member gift will only be given out to those that subscribe for a 3-month plan or longer. So if you're doing a month-to-month plan, the free gift is not included. So the new member gift that you can receive in March if you do the longer subscription is you will receive a full-size product from Nudestix. Now this one is going to be their matte blush color and the shade is Picante. This is a full-size product and you will not be able to customize the shade on here. This is the only one that they have available for the month of March. It's really bright. However, when you blend it out, it's not going to be that strong of a pigment, but it still will give you a bright glow. One thing that's nice about these Nudestix products is they do include a brush on the other end. So it is built in and you can just buff that out and blend it so you have a really nice flushed look. Now, I do have a couple of thoughts and recommendations with this product. So I always feel like it's great when you can get a free bonus gift for signing up for these boxes. I think that's awesome. In my own personal opinion and experience, I do feel like if you sign up for a 3-month plan, you will receive the discount off of that first box and you won't be able to take advantage of future gifts for new members. I feel like you might be better just skipping the new member gift this month and going with your month-to-month plan because the new member gifts that Allure is potentially offering for April and May, I personally feel like are better than this gift. And if you lock in at a 3-month plan or a 12-month plan, you're not going to be able to get those other new member gifts. So that's just my opinion on it. You guys can make your own decision. Obviously, I'm just going to throw that out there that it might be worth it to still sign up this month and get this box at a discounted price. But this is the only advantage to purchasing a 3-month subscription is getting this one extra product. Okay, so let's get into what I'm really excited about with the March box. This first item is an item that I currently use and I love this product. So this is coming from Glow Recipe. It is a full-size product. This is their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. So what that means is that it is designed for your lips. The balmy texture is going to give you hydration for your lips. It's going to fight off chapped lips or dryness, but then it's also going to give you a glossy shine. So this one, it's not as glossy as a lip gloss, but it's not as matte as what a lip balm might be. It's right in between those two, and that's why I think it's a perfect consistency, because not only does it give you hydration, but it gives you just a little bit more shine than a lip balm does. And it's the perfect combination. Now this product, if you wanted to purchase it, it retails for $22. This is what you will pay if you go to Sephora or you go on their website and purchase this product. So this one product will pay for your entire box this month for March. Not to mention the packaging with Glow Recipe is so cute, and this one is no exception. So this is what it will look like outside of the box, and they put it in a glass jar so you can recycle this, which is great, but they put it in the plum shape. So it's just, I don't know, you guys. It's those little details that I love that are just so cute and extra. Ironically, that is not like the hero of the box for Allure. This month, they are actively promoting the Danessa Myrix product. But personally, I just gotta tell you guys that when I looked at this lineup, that Glow Recipe product, since I use it, was the one that sold me on this box. I was like, that's the one I'm most excited about. So this is the product that Allure has been sharing everywhere. This is a full-size product from Danessa Myrix, and this is the Low Lighter. So the shade that I have here is Unbothered. There are 3 different shades, and you are able to choose which shade you want to go with. So this is the one product that could vary from everyone's box. This is what it will look like. It's a gorgeous soft pink kiss. I mean, it's just this really light shade, but you can build this up if you want a more intense pigment. That is one thing that I will tell you, is that this product is very versatile. So it's going to be soft if you want it to be soft, but it can also be really pigmented if you would prefer that option as well. All you got to do is keep layering it on until you achieve the desired look that you want to go with. So this is what it looks like here. I do like the really large pan size. You can definitely use this with your fingers, with a brush, but this product will also pay for your March box. So it's $25 at Sephora if you wanted to go purchase it, or you get the entire box for 20 bucks. Now the other shades that you can go with, because maybe you don't like the kiss of pink that I have here today, you can also go with a shade called Low Key, which I do think is kind of funny because I don't think it's low key at all. But the other option is called Incognito. So these are the 3 shades here. This is the one that I showed you, which is Unbothered. This is your Low Key, and then here's your Incognito. I just think it's so funny that she named it Low Key, and to me, it is really bright. I do think it's a gorgeous shade, don't get me wrong, but I just thought that was ironic. Also included in our March box this month, we do have a skincare product. This is coming from Skinfix, and it is an Allure Beauty Best of winner. So Allure will put out different awards throughout the year for their favorite products. This one won because it's the best eye cream. So it is a full-size product that we have in our box this month, and you won't believe it, but it also pays for your entire box. This retails for $54. So I believe this is also the most expensive item in the box too. So it is a triple lipid collagen eye treatment. It's going to feature vegan collagen amino acids in here. The idea is to target fine lines, wrinkles, but it's also going to take down like puffiness if you have any of that with your under eye area. So this is what your packaging will look like. It is a glass jar. It doesn't look like it. I honestly thought it was going to be plastic at first, but it's heavy. Like I pulled it out and I was like, wow, this is a really heavy jar. But this is what it will look like. It's a really soft cream. So you just massage that in. It will give you a little bit of hydration as well, but it's mainly targeting lines, wrinkles, and puffiness. There are other products on the market that will give you like an extra dose of hydration that are a bit stronger than this one. It's not that this won't give you that, it's just not its primary fix. But speaking of moisturizers, I didn't even mean to segue into that, you guys, it just kind of happened. But speaking of moisturizers, we do have a moisturizer inside of our box for March. Now this is also a full-size product. Once again, it is coming from Versed this time. This is their moisturizing gel cream. So that is your formula blend. And I love the smiley face up here. It's so cute. It's just like, hi. But this is 2 ounces or 60 ml. It is a green tea leaf blend with aloe juice. So I think that's why we have a green color on the packaging here. But this is a full-size product and it retails for $14.99. So it just almost pays for your entire box. Not quite, but it's very close. But this moisturizer is designed for all skin types. It's vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. There's no silicones, no parabens in here, no formaldehyde, no mineral oil. It's actually a very clean skincare product. So I do appreciate that. So I don't know if you guys realized, but that was our 4th full-size product this month, which is more than usual. Allure will guarantee a minimum of 3 full-size products each month. So whenever we get more than 3, it's like, this is more exciting. Like you get more product, it's a better value because you have more product for the price paid. So I'm excited. We got 4 full-size items. So the next item that we have in here is from Belif. I love this brand, you guys. This is my favorite moisturizer. Not this one, this is a serum, but I'm just saying the brand is my favorite. So this one is their Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. This is a travel size that we have here. This one will give you a brightening effect for your skin to give you a brighter glowing look. So this product is 10 ml and this is what it will look like here. I do feel like there's plenty of product here that you could at least try it out, see what you think of it. If you like it, then you can order again. But I really like Belif's products. So apparently there are gold pearls that they've mixed into this formula. And it says that it also has vitamin C, which would make sense. That will give you a brightening effect. It states that because they have combined those 2 ingredients, it's going to give you an instant glow after using this product. It's also going to blur the look of pores in the process, so it is a makeup hybrid. You could use this as a traditional skincare item and then put makeup over top, or you can go without makeup for the day, put this on, and it will double as a makeup item because it's still going to give you that kind of glowing look and blur your pores. But the retail value on this is $38 for 50 ml of product. We have 10 ml here. Last up for today, we do have a mascara in here from Sephora. This one is going to be their travel size mascara. So it's their immediate supersized volume extra large. So apparently, I mean, this is supposed to give you lots of volume if you use this product. I feel like this is a little bit smaller than their travel size because I've had their travel size before and it's still like a silver tube. The full size is as well, but this is smaller than I remember. So unless they got rid of that little travel size from before, I feel like this is smaller than that. But the size on this is 1.5 grams or 0.05 ounces. So you do have enough here to try it. It may only last you a week. It's not going to last you a long time, but at least you could see if you like it, because usually with mascaras, you're going to know if it works well with your eyes or not, or if it flakes or if it comes off throughout the day. Typically, you're going to see those results right away. It's not going to take time. So it's not like skincare where you have to wait a while. You're going to know if you like this one. So that is everything inside of the March Allure Beauty Box. I have to tell you, I still think that Glow Recipe product is my favorite item in this box, but that is one that I already really love. I still think it's a great lineup. I love the curation. They're thinking about winter air and dry skin, but we still want a little bit of makeup in here. So I like the fact that we have moisturizers and hydrating products, but we are still getting like this blush and highlighter combo as well. We get a little bit of that brightening from Belif Skincare. I think overall, they really did a good job of curating a box that's appropriate for this season. And for my wallet, I mean, let's be real, you guys, $20 for 4 full-size products, like that's already amazing. So if you want this exact box that I showed you today and you would like to customize your Danessa Myrix product, you do need to order in the month of March. And then like I said, in order to save some money off of your first box, you will need to apply that coupon code at checkout as well. So I've got the code, I got the link, everything down below that you're going to need. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!